evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the music of the original Don Putring Orchestra, and we would like to welcome everyone to Balikbayan Night 2025 All Black Affair. Hey, hey, hey. Once again, I'd like to give you the music of Don Podring de Guzman Orchestra. Don Podring Orchestra, the original. Hey, hey, hey. I'd like to give you our sound engineers for tonight. We have Cap Glenn de Guzman together with Kagawan Chong Caranto. Yeah. Sí, yo quiero mambo, mambo. 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 Hey! Hey, hey, hey. Gloria, you're always on the run now, running after somebody. You gotta get him somehow. I think you better slow down before you start to blow it. I think you're headed for the breakdown, so be careful not to show it. You really don't remember what is something that they said. Are the voices in your head calling Gloria, Gloria, Gloria? Don't you think of falling, Gloria? If everybody wants you, Gloria, why isn't anybody calling? You don't have to answer, just leave them hanging on the line. Whoa, calling Gloria, Gloria, Gloria. I think they've got your number, Gloria. I think they've got your alias, Gloria. that you've been living under. But you really don't remember what something that they said. Are the voices in your head calling Gloria? Gloria, how's it gonna go down? Will you meet me on the main line? Or will you catch me on the rebound? Will you marry for the money? Take a lover in the afternoon. Feel your innocence slipping away. Don't you think it's coming back soon? You really don't remember. Was it something that they said? Are the voices in your head calling Gloria? Gloria, Gloria, I think they've got your number. Gloria, I think they've got your alias. Gloria, that you've been living under. Gloria, but you really don't remember. Was it something that they said? Are the voices in your head calling Gloria? Gloria, Gloria. Oh yeah. God bless and celebration, everyone. I only knew you for a while. I never saw your smile till it was time to go. It's time to go away. Time to go away. It's hard to recognize. Love comes as a surprise, but it's too late. It's just too late to stay. Too late to stay. Love never ends. We'll always be together, however far it seems. Never ends. We'll always be together, together in electric dreams. Woo! Because the friendship that you gave has taught me to be brave. No matter where I go, I never find a better prize. Find a better prize. Miles and miles away, I see you every day. I don't have to try, I just close my eyes. I close my eyes. Love never ends. We'll always be together, however far it seems. Never ends. We'll always be together, together in electric dreams. Never ends. We'll always be together, however far it seems. Never ends. We'll always be together, together in electric dreams. kasama, buhay ko'y kompleto na. Tuwing nandito ka, sa tabi ko, aking mo makapaniwala ng dati kong pangarap ay katotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo, marinig lang boses mo, masaya at kontento na ako. Wala nang iba pang hahanapin, sa ikaw ang aking kapiling, lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Sa corner, sobrang nasa natanggapin mo akin ang alay, sa pasasalam, sa pagliliwanag ang buhay kung ito ay dati-dati di karton ng kaligaya. Yung mga regalo, mga rasa sa joke ko, liliwanag din ang buhay mo pag nilabas ko na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta, at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Oh yeah! Tinatanong kung mahal kita at bakit nagkahiwalay, sa puso ko'y di matanggap pagkat mahal kita. Ako'y nananalangin na makapili ka, ang ibig kong sabihin, lahat ay gagawin ko. Udyok kaluguran ka, kaluguran sobra-sobra, kasarana rin ang mata, pagdulanda ka. Lawera ka matin pati ko, muli ka'y lulugod ka ko. Lawera ka udyo hanggang mati ka pang tao. Kapag naaalala ang kahapon kay saya, mulit muli bumabalik ang tamisan ng pagsinta. Ako'y nananalangin na like to say hi to Mr. Donny De Vera. And Freda, of course. And Freda, of course. Nais ko lang isuko ang iyong pagmamahal. Ako'y lalaki lamang na marunong magmahal. Kapag naaalala ang kahapong kay saya, mulit-muli bumabalik ang tamis ng pagsinta. Ako'y nananalangin na makapiling ka. Ang ibig kong sabihin, lahat ay gagawin ko. Mudyong paluguran daka, kaluguran sobra-sobra, kasarada rin mata, cuando nandaka. Laway na kamakipakin ko, muli ka'y lulugot ka ko. Laway na kaudyo, hanggang mati ka pang daon. Mr. Donny De Vera, see you out there.
Nulong ka, jay daya, malaglagip ko, tin kay di jaya. Takas ka man, lapay ngay pinta, dito'y panunot ko, ngagrayuto'y sa diya. Lumapagbalin mo ang diamante, jay bukel, isa na maging. Ay wen manong, diyan ko nang kita mangyawan, keng karay do'y bagin. Lumaubon mo, kaya duwabit bituin, kas kasukat, to'y pusokan natin. Ay namanong, uray di kagararan siya king mangibaga, asikat ay ayate. Hello to the Philippine Dental Association, Pangasinan Chapter President, Dr. Bea Perez Bautista, the pride of Bayambang. Numasukdal mo, naslang gabulan, kasi kurunang kaniya kapag datunan. Lagi-lagi pem, asikat ay kabat, kanito'y biyag ko, inja karibusanan. Numatili mo, naatap nga libukin, kasi regalo na'y nagabalbalayin. Ay wen manong, sikay tayo ng surute na pakituntungan, ken ka pinpinungayin.
dito'y mata, kanisod makaakas, maliliwato'y kaunda. Isip maroti sa wena, aday simba kagura, aday simba awanak ka, kanisimba panas token ka. Uray adamit kanyang ngarigan, uray parno ako pumputan, uray parno at paspasok nuda, nuis managriknak mapagpayan. Isem, umisang kamambiyan ko, lalawagan man to'y barukong ko, taisin mo, isot kamay ayo, dahil kay pusong napuan, tinindo. Isang mapakabiyagan, ngangunguray na dito'y mata, kanisod makaakas, maliliwato'y kaunga. Isang maroti sa wena, aday simang kamura, aday simang awanak na, kanisod mapalustukin ka. Uray adamit kanyang ngarigan, uray parnuak pupumputan, uray parnuak paspasok duda, luis managriknak mapagpayan. Isem, umisang kamambiyan ko, lalawagan man to'y barukong ko, taisin mo, isot kamay ayong, dahil ko'y pusok na tuwan, tilindo. Isem, umisang kamambiyan ko, lalawagan man to'y barukong ko, taisin mo, isot kamay ayong, dahil ko'y pusok na tuwan, tilindo. Isem, umisang kamambiyan ko, lalawagan man to'y barukong ko, taisin mo, isot kamay ayong, dahil ko'y pusok na tuwan, tinindo. Kapanahunan na naman ng paglalambingan, at kasama kitang mamasyal sa kung saan. Kabilugan ng buwan at ang hangin ay may kalambigan. Aakapin kita, mahal ko, sa buong magdamag. Pagmamahalan na naman ang maranasan. Sa sariling mundo tayo lang ang may alam. ang mararanasan. Sa sariling mundo tayo lang ang may alam. Kabilugan ng buwan at ang hangin ay may kalambigan. Aakapin kita, mahal ko, sa buong magdamag. Halina't pakinggan ang awit na dala ng pag-ibig. Masaya ang mundo pagkapilit kitang ganito. Huwag kang hihiwalay at ang puso ko ay maligaya. Lapit na, oh lapit pa, lapit pa. Ang panahon na nahanapan ng maglalambigan. At kasama kita mamasyal sa kung saan. Kabilugan ng buwan at ang hangin ay may kalambigan. Aakapin kita, mahal ko, sa buong magdamag. Aakapin kita, mahal ko, sa buong magdamag. Aakapin kita, mahal ko, sa buong magdamag. Ikaw ang ligaya ko, panaligan mo o giliw ko. Ngayon at kailan pa man ang aking pag-ibig di magbabago. Ikaw ay umasa rin sa sumpa at ay di magtataksil. Dahil buhay ay pag-ibig, ang aking pagsuyo'y di magmamaliw. Mga pangarap ko sa buhay, sa'yo'y aking natagpuan. Kaya iyong paniwalaan, lalabis kitang minamahal. Ikaw ang ligaya ko at siyang lahat sa buhay ko. Nasa kandungan mo, parang nasa langit ang sarili ko. At habang may buhay, ang puso ko ay tanging sa iyo. Sana ay balikan mo ang iyong pagmamahal, ang ligaya ko. sa buhay, sa'yo'y aking natagpuan. Kaya't iyong paniwalaan na labis kitang minamahal. Ikaw ang ligaya ko at siyang lahat sa buhay ko. Nasa kantungan mo, parang nasa langit ang sarili ko. At habang may buhay, ang puso ko ay tanging sa'yo. Sana'y panaligan mo ang iyong pagmamahal, ang ligaya ko. Sana'y panaligan mo ang iyong pagmamahal, ang ligaya ko.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together, decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair, golden starlight in your eyes, so blue. porque sabes que te quiero y te aprovechas porque sabes que te adoro. Me tratas mal, crees que estás en tu derecho, pero te has equivocado y en vez de tantos merecido y te pongo en tu lugar. Últimamente,
¿qué está pasando?
no tienes tiempo,
¿Has querido?
me estás pensando,
Es tu fuego.
y te den cuenta
¿Has querido?
que antes de tarde,
¿Qué está pasando?
si lo prefieres,
Eres hijo.
y luego todo olvido. Así es mi corazón, esos malos momentos,
Todo,
tus lindos ojos verdes, el pego de tu cuerpo, junto con tu sonrisa, últimamente no tienes tiempo, no estás pensando, te tienen en cuenta y luego todo olvido. Así es mi corazón, esos malos momentos, esos lindos ojos verdes, el pego de tu cuerpo, junto con tu sonrisa,
You can dance, every dance with the guy you kiss in the eye, let him hold you tight. And you can smile, every smile for a man who held your head beneath the pale moonlight. And don't forget who's taking you home, and in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh yeah, yeah. Though I know that the music's fine like sparkling wine, go and have it fun. Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget who's taking you home, and in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel that when we touch, I will never ever let you go. I love you oh so much. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, can he walk you home? You must tell him no. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Cha-cha! Oh, I know that the Drinks fry like sparkling wine, go and have it all. Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget to stay, can you hold? And in his arms you're gonna be. So, darling, say the last dance for me. And don't forget to stay, can you hold? And in his arms you're gonna be. So, darling, save the last dance for me. Baby, won't you save the last dance for me? You make me promise that you save the last dance for me. Save the last dance, the very last dance for me.
Hello, sound check. Hey. Hello, sound checked. Thank you so much to our balikbayans and of course to our family and friends. You may now take your seats in a few minutes, partner.
We'll be starting our program.
But before that, partner, Binibini Danny would like to acknowledge the presence, of course, our first gentleman, Dr. Cesar Terrado Quiambao. Let us give him a resounding applause, please.
And of course, we would also like to acknowledge all the members of Team Kiambao Sabangan, which will be introduced one by one later on. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
The abundance of onion from the rich oil of this nation. Balikon lianakan, balikon bayambang, Kalija, Kalila, inner town, you're most welcome. Niña Arumbi bayambang. Our longest barbecue grill, full of happiness, full of cheer. Try our okrans, oh so yummy. Agay sa min, napalabay mi. Balikon lianakan, balikon bayambang. Kalija, Kalila, inner town, you're most welcome. Niña Arumbi bayambang. Kalija, Kalila, inner town, you're most welcome. Niña Arumbi bayambang.
Good evening, Kabalayans!
Masantol tan maabing nalawi bayambang genyos.
Happy Fiesta to each and every one of you here. Now, ready na ba ang lahat? Parinig naman ang palakpakan dyan.
And of course, partner, nakita natin sobrang gagaling nilang sumayaw.
Exactly, nag-umpisa na kaagad ang kasiyahan. Ang gaganda nilang panoorin. Talaga namang enjoy ang bawat isa tonight.
Tama ka dyan, Binibining Daniela. Talagang bawat tugtog, bawat kanta, talaga namang sinasabayan ng ating mga balikbayans. At syempre, ang lahat ng ating mga bisita. Pero may tanong lang ako, partner.
Yes, sir. Ano ba yun?
Nakainom na ba sila ng vitamins nila tonight?
Ready ka ba dyan sa tanong mo? Okay, now, as you can see, tuloy-tuloy ang kasiyahan natin para sa pagdiriwang ng Pistay Ballet 2025. Kaya naman, let me introduce myself. Good evening, everybody. I am Miss Daniela Daria.
And I am Serge De Los Santos, and we are your master of ceremonies tonight.
Right, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome to People's Grand Ball and Balikbayan Night 2025.
In the celebration, of course, of Pistay Ballet 2025 with the team Mankirlab Magaygayagan Bayambag.
Right, which also means in Filipino, masaya at nagniningning na bayan ng Balon Bayambang.
At syempre, binibining Dani, kagaya mo.
Right.
Mankirkirlap ka natan, partner.
At ikaw din naman, hindi ka rin naman nagpatalo.
Syempre, alam mo, partner, pinaghandaan ko rin ang gabing ito.
Alam mo, buti na lang din kasi tignan mo yung mga audiences natin ngayon. Talaga namang nagniningning ang bawat isa sa kanila.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga namang nagniningning, kumikislap. Ang dami nating nakikitang magaganda at gwapo dito sa ating Balon Bayambang Public Plaza.
Right, gusto ko tuloy tanungin, no? Sige nga, parinig nga ako ng sigawan at palakpakan ng mga magaganda at pogi tonight! Parang mahina pa. Gusto ko very confident tayo. Again, parinig naman ng sigawan at palakpakan ng mga nagagandahan at nagwagwapuhan nating audiences tonight. Ayun, kami din. Woo!
Tama ka dyan, binibining Daniela. Alam ko, excited na rin ako. I'm pretty sure ang ating mga balikbayans kasi talagang pinaghandaan nila ang gabing ito, partner.
Kaya naman, wag na nating patagalin. But before that, of course, we would like to acknowledge the people behind the progressive town of Bayambang. Of course, sa pangunguna yan ng pinakamagandang mayora sa buong universe. Of course, our very own Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mary Claire Judith Feliz Nina Jose Quiambao.
At syempre, kasama din ho natin our first gentleman, Dr. Zasor Terrado Quiambao.
Andyan din, of course, the equally beautiful and multi-talented Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ian Camille Sabangan.
At kasama rin ho natin our Liga ng mga Barangay President, Pangasinan Chapter, Board Member Raul Sabangan.
Right, and we also have here the esteemed members of the municipal councilors, our municipal councilors. Of course, starting with Honorable Milvin Boying Junio,
Councilor Philip Dumalanta,
Honorable Benjamin Francisco de Vera,
Councilor Jose Boy Ramos,
Councilor Gerardo Flores,
Councilor Amory Junio,
Councilor Martin Terrado II,
Councilor Levinson Nesos Uy,
and of course, nandyan din ang OIC Liga President Honorable Rodelito Bautista.
and of course our SK Federation President, Miss Marian Cheska Dolay.
Right, kasama rin natin tonight our special guest, of course, starting with Mrs. Jocelyn Espejo,
Mr. Vanday Paragas,
Engineer Zerex Terrado.
and Mr. Nasser Boyeng Kulas Junio.
Right, and also we would like to give our acknowledgement and appreciation, of course, to our municipal administrator. We have Attorney Rodelyn Regini Sagarino Vidal.
And of course, our Chief Executive Assistant, Ms. Carmela Atienza Santillan.
Andyan din, of course, our Bayambang Polytechnic College President, Dr. Rafael Limueco Saigo.
And of course, partner, nakikita ko sa harapan, we have Sir Philip Jose, the father of Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao. Palakpakan naman ho natin. And of course, we have Sir Antonio Jose Quiambao. And of course, we have Ma'am Tracy Nag. We have here Sir Romeo and Ma'am Lulu Quiambao. And of course, we have Dr. Ted and Attorney Arnel Glorioso. And of course, Miss Agatha, nandito rin at binibining Danny.
Right.
And of course, Miss Atara, Sir Gab Jose. Ayan, Sir Gab Jose, of course, partner. And of course, ang buong Jose Quiambao family. Let us give them resounding applause, please.
Right, so we're very honored to have you here with us tonight. With that, may I invite everyone to please rise for our prayer through an audio-visual presentation. Please remain standing for the entrance of colors led by the Bayambang Municipal Police Station Color Guard.
Manatili po tayong nakatayo upang awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas, himno ng Pangasinan at himno ng Bayambang.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, luyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulubi, di ka ka pasisihin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit bumugaw. May nilaghang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin ng araw na kailan abay di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na luwal at ipagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Katandayawin, Pangasinan ya pinabli. Deun mo na niyaligwas, piugagag ko lawas. Diyan puso Pangasinan, akan naliwanan. Luyat ko yan iyanakan, madagdakan yaman. Matwan na ligwas mo na kaya nagla, pasin baloy kimamula. Sa ibang kakasakina kay nalilig na, labot pa na mapliksikan. Sa idayat mo nakloy natutan sa yaman, sa dagakapalan riyan. Karenatan sa tingmo Pangasinan, pagliit ang lawas pantayan. Lawas na kanitan duro Pangasinan, alundakan dayumuan. Panangam pupong wala na pangunan, igiginon ko siyo paman. Pangasinan, uyang bitan yaman.
Inablin balay min bayang pa, tawiratin mo nan katangan. Maragda ko, yaman na yaman, di matalag, anggat kinarma. Yung istorya di kan malabasa, kumaliman ka bisaray bansa. Iyagulmi ka, agmi paulyanan, si kalay lawas kasimpita. Ibalyaw bayamba, balik ko bayamba, tawid ko bayamba, arwang bayamba. Sagder abig na ulupan,
you po ang lahat. Ayan, Serge, di ba, pansin natin kanina, nag-umpisa na talaga ang kasiyahan dito sa ating Town Plaza.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Tamang-tama, partner, kasi medyo nagpapahinga pa naman. Bumubuelo lang yan ang ating mga kabaluyan. Siyempre, ang lahat ng ating mga balikbayans.
There you go. Ang dami nating dapat abangan tonight. At isa na dyan, of course, balita ko, partner, meron tayong special performer tonight.
Tama ka dyan, Binibining Danny. Aside from our special guest performer na inimbitahan para sa ating mga balikbayans at syempre sa lahat ng ating mga kapwa-bayang bangkenyo, kasama rin natin ang isa sa mga pinakasikat, kilalang orkestra dito sa luyag nating Pangasinan. Siyempre sabay ng basista, the original Don Podring Orchestra. Palakpakan naman ho natin.
Talaga namang napaka-exciting ang gabing ito. Right, so, alam mo, Serge, natutuwa lang din talaga akong maging parte netong selebrasyon na to because this is the effort of our municipality of LGU Bayambang to recognize our balikbayans.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Pero may tatanong ako, partner.
Yes, what is
Pwede
it?
ba ako magtanong sa'yo, Binibining Danny?
Sige lang, ano ba yun?
Kung saan at anong bansa yung gusto mong puntahan?
Oh, what a good question. Pero actually, ang dami kong gustong puntahan. Pero ang pinakaunang pumasok sa utak ko, probably siguro Japan. Gusto kong ma-experience.
Meron ba ditong mga taga-Japan?
Or galing sa Japan.
Galing sa Japan.
Sama na lang po ako sa inyo.
Ayan.
Eh ikaw ba? Saan mo gusto?
Ako, partner, isa lang din yung pinapangarap ko.
Okay, saan
Pero
yan?
baka pag nagpunta na ako doon, hindi mo na ako makilala.
Bakit? Bakit saan ka ba pupunta?
Sa Thailand.
Okay, Thailand. So pagbalik mo dito, baka mas babae ka na sa akin.
At syempre, hindi mo na ako marinig mag-ganito, mag-Pangasinan, tsaka mag-English. Ang bukang bibig ko na lang, sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka. Right, exciting, exciting. With that, syempre wag na nating patagalin to, no?
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Mhm. Para naman bigyan tayo ng welcome, pa-welcome sa ating mga kababayan. Of course, samahan niyo po akong i-welcome ang ating ever-dynamic municipal administrator. Let us all give a warm round of applause for Attorney Rodelyn Regini Sagarino Vidad.
Masantos si Labi at si Katayunawi. Good evening po sa ating lahat. Una sa lahat po, paumanhin po sa aking boses dahil panglimang gabi na po namin, panglimang araw na po namin na po ng ating fiesta at medyo namamaos na po. Parang si Serge at saka si Danny na lang ang hindi namamaos. Of course, I'd like to say good evening to our beloved mayor, ang pinakamagandang mayor sa balat ng lupa at ang pinakamabait na mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao. Of course, palakpakan naman po natin. Of course, ang atin pong Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, ang atin pong SATOM, former mayor at ang arkitekto ng revolusyon laban sa kahirapan at ang inyero sa lahat ng mga magandang pagbabago dito sa Balon Bayambang, Dr. Cesar Tirado Quiambao. Isa rin pong pagbati sa ating napakaganda din po at napakasipag na Vice Mayor, Dr. Ian Camille Sabangan, kasama po ang kanyang minamahal na asawa, ang pride po ng Bayambang, presidente po ng barangay, captain po sa buong Pangasinan, board member Raul Sabangan, at syempre ang mga miyembro po ng Sangguniang Bayan. We have Tito Boying Hunyo. Nandito na po ba si Tito Boying? Philip Dumalanta, Benji De Vera, Tito Boy Ramos, Tito Jerry Flores, Amory Junio, Martin Terrado, at Levinson Uy, at ang mga bagong miyembro ng Team Kayambaw Sabangan, Sir Rodelito Bautista, ang ating pong OIC, ABC President, Nazer Kulas Boying Junio, si Tita at si Ate Jocelyn Espejo, Engineer Zerex Terrado, at Van Dave Paragas, 9 na taon na pong nagbibigay ng total quality service ang Team Kiambao Sabangan at ang mga fellow LGU department heads and employees ko po at syempre ang ating mga minamahal na Bayambanggenyos. Magandang gabi at maligayang pagdating sa mga minamahal naming balikbayang Bayambanggenyo. Palakpakan ninyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Ang gaganda at ang gagwapo nyo po tonight. Ang gabing ito ay isang espesyal na pagdiriwang na alay namin sa inyo, minamahal naming mga kababayan na nagmula pa sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. It is a profound honor to gather with all of you tonight as we celebrate the spirit of homecoming and recognize the invaluable contributions of our beloved balikbayans. Those who, they may be far from home, remain deeply connected to our roots and community. Our dear balikbayans, you play a crucial role in shaping our community. Even when 95% of the time, you may not be physically present with us. Your experiences, your successes, and stories from abroad enrich our town in countless ways. This evening is a heartfelt expression of our appreciation for each of you, our beloved balikbayans, who continue to inspire us through your hard work and sacrifices. Many of you have made significant sacrifices and faced challenges while pursuing opportunities abroad, all for the sake of your families and our community. I can personally relate to this as my husband is also Mike, who is joining me today, is also a balikbayan who spends much of his time away from us. I understand the longing and the sacrifices that come with being separated from loved ones. Yet, it is this very dedication that strengthens the bonds of our community and enables us to thrive. Please allow me lang po to share my personal experience. One time po, mga 2.5 or 3 years ago, I attended a wedding in Melbourne, Australia. So I was invited by the family of the bride. So nandun po ako sa reception, and then I was being introduced to the family of the groom. Tapos ang sabi po nila, this is Raj, she's from Pangasinan. So tuwang-tuwa po yung mga family ng groom, lalong-lalo na yung mga grandparents, kasi sabi nila, oh, taga Pangasinan din po kami. At ang sabi nila sa akin, taga Bayambang kami. Di ba? What a small world. So lahat po sila, taga Bayambang, they belong to the Ferrer clan. Sila po ay sila Wilfredo Ferrer and Estelita Ferrer. I don't know if they're here. And they're from Zone 5. At ang nakakatuwa pa doon, ang sabi nila, marami pa kaming pamilya sa Bayambang. At yung apo namin, si Angelus Ferrer, ay nandun pa. Angelus po is a binibini, a former binibini. So kilalang kilala ko po siya. And then another time, my husband po was assigned to Port Hedland. And this is Port Hedland, Western Australia. And this is 1,700 kilometers away from Perth. An 18-hour drive from Perth, yung capital po ng Western Australia. And I was looking for, sino kaya yung pwede kong makilala dito, sabi ko. And lo and behold, another Bayambanggenyo, si Kuya John Paul Paningbatan and si Bing Paningbatan. And si Kuya John Paul po ay schoolmate ko from elementary hanggang college. So, napaka-small world. It only shows po that Bayambanggenyos, Alam niyo po, tayo pong mga Bayabanggenyos, wherever we are, we thrive and we succeed if we are given the opportunity. Yan po ang tatak Bayambanggenyo. Kayo po, minamahal naming mga balikbayan, ay katuwang ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Bayambang sa ating revolusyon laban sa kahirapan. Ang inyo pong mga pagsisikap na itaguyod ang inyong mga pamilya ay may napakahalagang papel sa ating sama-samang layunin na lumikha ng mas maliwanag na kinabukasan para sa lahat ng Bayambanggenyo at sa ating adhikaing tuluyang wakasan ang kahirapan sa bayan ng Bayambang. Tonight, we celebrate you, not just as individuals, but as an integral part of the Bayambang family. Your presence here, whether in body or spirit, reminds us that our connections transcends distance. As we enjoy this night filled with music, dance, laughter, and camaraderie, let us honor your contributions and the love you carry for our hometown. Ang inyong presensya dito ngayong gabi ay isang patunay sa hindi matitinag na koneksyon sa ating minamahal na bayan ng Bayambang, isang paalala na saan man tayo magpunta, dala natin ang ating bayan sa ating mga puso. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all that you do. May this Balikbayan night be a memorable celebration of reunion, and may it serve as a reminder of the strength and the ties that bind us all together as Bayambanggenyos. Enjoy the evening. Masantos, Yalabi, at Sikatayo namin. Thank you.
Once again, palakpakan po natin our Municipal Administrator, Attorney Rodelyn Regini Sagarino Vidal. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that very heartwarming message. Right. Tama, no? Behind every balikbayan is a story of strength, love, and sacrifices. We honor each and every one of you tonight and everything that you have given to your family. Hindi nga naman talaga biro ang pinagdaanan ng mga balikbayans natin para sa kanilang pamilya. Kaya sana po inyong pakinggan or inyo pong tanggapin ang aming appreciation para sa inyong effort. You are appreciated more than you ever know. So once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga sarili.
That's right, Binibining Dani. And at this point, ladies and gents, pakinggan naman ho natin ang mensahe magmumula po sa ikalawang ina ng bayan ng Bayambang. Atin ang pong i-welcome mga kaibigan, the better half. Of course, our Liga ng mga Barangay Pangasinan Chapter Board Member Raul Sabangan. Mga kaibigan, atin pong sabay-sabay na palakpakan ang ating napakasipag, napakagaling, at butihing Municipal Vice Mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give her resounding applause. Municipal Vice Mayor Dr. Ian Camille Castillo Sabangan.
Thank you, Sergi and Daniela. Good evening. Masantos Yalabi at Sikayon Amin. Hi. Hello. Just wow, you really look stunning tonight. Grabe ho, ang gaganda at ang gagwapo po ninyo. So good evening po. Una-una ho ang aking pagbati sa ating pong ina at ilaw, ang napakagandang Municipal Mayor, Mayor Nina Jose Quiambao. Palakpakan naman po natin. Nandyan rin po ang ating ever-supportive Satom or our former Mayor Dr. Cesar Quiambao. Of course, to my husband, the Provincial Liga President of Pangasinan, Board Member Raul Sabangan. To all our Sangguniang Bayan members and Team Quiambao Sabangan. To all our department and unit heads headed by Municipal Administrator Attorney Rodelyn Regini Sagarino Vidal. Nandyan rin po ang Jose Quiambao family, our binibinis, our dear balikbayans with their family, our guests, visitors, and friends, good evening. Sa gabing ito, tayo ay nagtipon-tipon hindi lamang po upang magdiwang, kundi upang ipagpasalamat ang inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at suporta sa ating bayan. Sa ating mga balikbayan, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-uwi at pagbabahagi ng inyong mga karanasan at tagumpay. Ang inyong pagbabalik ay nagbibigay ng inspirasyon at pag-asa sa ating komunidad. Ang inyong sakripisyo na magtrabaho sa malayo para sa inyong mga pamilya ay tunay ngang kahanga-hanga. Sa ating mga kababayan, saludo po kami sa inyong katatagan at dedikasyon at sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan. Ang inyong araw-araw na pagsisikap, ang inyong pagmamahal sa inyong pamilya at ang inyong pagiging matatag sa harap at hirap ng hamon ng buhay ay siyang nagpapalakas po sa ating komunidad. Ang gabing ito ay para sa inyong lahat. Ito ay isang pagkilala sa inyong sakripisyo, pagmamahal, at walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating bayan. Naway ang gabing ito ay magbigay sa inyo ng pagkakataon upang ang bawat isa sa atin ay magkaisa, magdiwang at magpatuloy sa pagtulong sa isa't isa. Muli ho, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang ating mga nagbalik na kabalian. Muli, Masantos Selabi at si Katayon Amin.
Balbalag na salamat. Maraming salamat sa napakainam na mensahe mula po sa ating ikalawang ina, ang ating pinakamamahal na Vice Mayor. Minsan pa, palakpakan naman ho natin, Vice Mayor Dr. Ian Camille Sabangan.
Right, at this point in time, mga kabalayans, ladies and gentlemen, we have the privilege of hearing a message from the most beautiful mayor in the entire universe, who continues to serve with love and care. Let us all lend our ears to our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mary Claire Judith Feliz Nina Jose Kiambao.
Magandang gabi, bayan ng Bayambang. I would like to express my warm greetings to our local government, our partners, friends, and guests who are gracing tonight's wonderful celebration. Higit sa lahat, binabati ko po ang stars ng ating pagdiriwang sa gabing ito, our beloved balikbayans. You all are the pillars of our country, and we regard each of you as the modern heroes of our nation. Thank you so much for your unwavering sacrifices and your years of hard work to secure the future of your families. Sa kabila ng hirap at mga hamon na dala ng buhay na malayo sa inyong bayan, hindi po kayo nagpatinag. Sa halip, nangingibabaw ang inyong tapang at determinasyon. Pinairal po ninyo ang puso ng isang dakilang manggagawang bayambagyan. For this very reason, it is an immense honor for me to join you in celebrating this significant occasion in our town fiesta. Asahan po ninyo na patuloy ko pong isusulong ang inyong kapakanan at kasama ko po ang tungkulin ito at ang buong Team Kiambao Sabangan. Tinitiyak ko po sa inyo na patuloy tayong bubuo ng mga programang naglalayong mapabuti ang buhay ng bawat bayambanggenyo. Thank you for your invaluable contribution in Bayambang's progress. Saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. Happy Fiesta, my dearest balikbayans. Ninyar Takayanamin, welcome home.
Once again, let's give it up for our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Mary Claire Judith Feliz Nina Jose Kiambao. Mga kabalayans, yesterday we concluded the most coveted beauty pageant here at the Balant Bayambang Event Center, and that is Binibining Bayambang 2025, which was truly a showcase of beauty, brains, and hearts.
And among the 22 candidates we have hailed, the winners to be inspiration of young Bayambangueñas and to continue the passion, beauty for love and service.
It is our greatest honor to present you mga kabaluyan, the winners of Binibining Bayambang 2025.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the grand entrance of our Binibining Bayambang second runner-up, Binibining Kate Wenzel Kabaging.
This time, let us all welcome Binibining Bayambang 2025 first runner-up, RV Hazel Custudio.
Ganda ng binibini sa bayan ng Bayambang. Kahani-hanina, ganda ng kalooban. Binibining Bayambang, lingkod ka ng bayan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Binibining Charity 2025, Binibining Mihaila Aquino.
Binibining Bayambang, ulan ng ating bayan, ganda'y di panglapas-laban. Nagmamahal sa kapwa, ito'y ginto sa balat, sa kasaysayan ng bayan. Binibining Bayambang, Binibining Bayambang, Binibining Bayambang, Binibining Bayambang.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Binibining Bayambang Tourism 2025, Binibining Krish Jewel Reyes.
Ganda ng binibini sa bayan ng Bayambang. Kahani-hanina, ganda ng kalooban. Binibining Bayambang, lingkod ka ng bayan. Kaisa sa pagmulay, pagdamay, ligmas.
And this time, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan our newly crowned Binibining Bayambang 2025, Binibining Basen Mohammed Sharon.
Nagmamahal sa kapwa, ito'y ginto sa balat, sa kasaysayan ng bayan. Binibining Bayambang, ulan ng ating bayan, ganda'y di panglapas-laban. Nagmamahal sa kapwa, ito'y ginto sa balat, sa kasaysayan ng bayan. Binibining Bayambang, Binibining Bayambang, Binibining Bayambang, Binibining Bayambang,
Once again, palakpakan po natin our Binibining Bayambang winners for 2025.
Thank you so much and congratulations to our newly crowned Binibinis. Parang kailan lang partner, parang ikaw ang kasama dito.
That's right, partner. Ang gaganda ng ating mga binibinis, no? Talaga namang hindi papaawan, hindi papatalo ang mga bayambang ganya when it comes to our beauty pageants.
Tama ka dyan. Moving on, partner. And this time, alam mo partner, simula maupo ang administrasyong Kiambao Sabangan, damang-dama ng bawat bayambanggenyo ang tunay na pagmamahal at syempre ang serbisyong may tatak. Total quality service, yan ang Team Kiambao Sabangan.
Right, partner. Kaya naman,
Sa pagkakataon pong ito, mga kaibigan, atin naman pong pakinggan ang mensahe magmumula po ang ama at arkitekto ng revolusyon laban sa kahirapan. Say nan paghabat, nan pasanting, na balon bayambang. Ladies and gentlemen, our first gentleman, Dr. Zasor Terrado Kiambao.
Thank you. To my beloved wife, the Mayor of Bayambang, who is watching us tonight live, and to our Kiambao Jose family who are here with us, especially my son Antonio, members of the Sangguniang Bayan headed by Vice Mayor I.C. Sabangan, and members of the Sangguniang Bayan, our board member, the president of all barangay captains of province of Pangasinan, to our department heads, headed by our municipal administrator, Attorney Raj Sagarino, our employees, and to all of you, our kabaluyans, balikbayans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Bali ko, pawilan ko, aruan ko, tan tulungan ko. Taon-taon, mulit-muli ito ang paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyong lahat. Marahil ay nagtataka na kayo kung bakit tila ako din nagsasawa sa pag-ulit-ulit ng mga katagang ito. Ngunit simple lamang ang dahilan. Nais kong ito'y itanim sa inyong mga puso at isipan upang maging gabay sa bawat hakbang nating tungo sa mas maliwanag na kinabukasan ng bayan ng Bayambang. Ako man ay isa ring dating OFW, nakibaka sa ibang bayan, nagsumikap sa ibang lupaing malayo sa tahanan. Ngunit sa huli, pinili kong bumalik. Bumalik upang paglingkuran ng bayan aking pinagmulan. Upang ibalik sa Bayambang ang lahat ng biyayang akin natatamasa, lalo na para sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na nakikibaka sa kahirapan. Sa pangunguna ng ating mayor, ang aking mahal na asawa, Mayor Nina, at ang buong LGU family. Araw at gabi kami nagsisikap, nagbubuhos ng pawis, oras at lakas upang maisakatuparan ang mga pangarap natin para sa bayan. Nakikita ninyo ang bunga ng ating pagkakaisa. Naipatayo na ang isang malaking modernong hospital dito sa bayan ng Bayambang. Itinatag na ang BYB Metro na magkakaroon ng amusement park na malapit ng magbukas at iba't ibang multi-use residential, commercial dito sa BYB Barangay Bani. At nalapit nang magbubukas ang bagong campus ng Bayambang Polytechnic College sa tabi ng Bayambang District Hospital. Hindi lamang ito ang hangganan dahil marami pang proyekto nakaabang para sa ating mahal na bayan tulad ng dalawang Philippine Rural Development Project. Alam niyo ba na napakahirap makakuha ng ganitong grant ang isang munisipyo, pero sa ating bayan, dalawa ang ongoing na ito, ang Pantulto San Gabriel Farm to Market Road at 120,000 bags capacity ng cold storage. Bayambang bilang Center of Union Production, kailangan natin ng malaking cold storage at napakarami pang ibang malalaking proyekto. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, ako'y tapat na nagsasabi, hindi pa sapat ang lahat ng ating nagawa. Hindi pa rin ganap ang pagbabago. Marami pa rin ang nangangailangan, marami pa rin ang hindi naaabot ang pag-unlad. At ang kulang ay kayo bilang mga balikbayan. Kayo po ang aming kailangan. Ang inyong buong suporta, ang inyong lubos na pakikiisa. Kailangan natin ng mas maraming mamumuhunan. At sa puntong ito, ako'y nananawagan sa inyo, sa ating mga minamahal na balikbayan. Ito na ang panahon upang kayo'y muling makibahagi. This is your time to give back. Panahon na upang ang inyong tagumpay sa ibang bansa ay dalhin pabalik sa sarili niyong bayan. Dito sa Bayambang, kung saan kayo sinilang, lumaki, minahal, dito ninyo dapat itanim ang bunga ng inyong pagsisikap. Naniniwala ako, kung nagtagumpay kayo sa banyagang lupain, higit pa kayo magtatagumpay dito sa bayan ng Bayambang, kung saan kapiling niyo ang inyong mga pamilya, ang inyong mga ugat at ang inyong sariling bayan. Bayambang is your home. Let us build it together. Let us dream together. Let us rise together. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayo lahat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin once again, Special Assistant to the Office of the Mayor, Dr. Cesar Terado Quiambao. Woohoo!
Yan, minsan pa, palakpakan naman ho natin ang ama at arkitekto ng revolusyon laban sa kahirapan, our first gentleman, Dr. Cesar Terado Quiambao. Palakpakan naman ho natin. Excited na po ba ang lahat? Parang hindi pa sila excited,
Isa pa.
partner. Excited na po ba ang lahat? Ayan,
Yan.
hindi lang makasigaw yung iba kasi
Kumakain din
kasi
sila.
yung iba.
Yes.
Consider na natin.
Right.
Bini-bini.
Sure naman ako na excited na ang lahat at bukod pa doon, excited na rin magsayawan ng ating mga bisita.
Tama ka dyan, Binibining Danny, dahil ako din naman excited na rin sa gabing ito. Mga kabaluyans, our guest performer tonight is an actor and OPM artist.
Excited na ba ang lahat?
Parang hindi ata, partner. Parang hindi sila excited
Oo
na
nga
makasama our guest performer tonight.
Hindi daw lalabas yung guest performer.
Hindi lalabas
kapag
hanggat hindi natin naririnig yung malakas na palakpak na may kasamang sigaw.
Ayan na nga. Dito tayong side, dito palakasan
Dito
tayo.
ako, partner, I'm pretty sure, hindi papatalo yung mga kaibigan ko dito.
Dito muna kami muna.
Sige, unahan mo muna, partner.
Right, huwag tayong papatalo ha. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, parinig naman ng palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan. Narinig mo yon, partner?
Alam mo, partner, dahil handang-handa ng magpakilig at magpasaya tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kabaluyans, our guest performer tonight is an actor and OPM singer. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ariel Rivera!
Hello, everybody. I call you and you call me. It's funny how we get on so easily. We're just friends. Ooh, oh, we. You got yours, I've got mine, and friends are all we ever could be. But we're getting to know each other a little too well. We're starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I light up like a neon sign. Yes, we're getting to know each other a little too well. We have lunch every now and then, and I find myself humming love songs again and again. Whoa, too many nights. Ooh, I'm working till then, and I hope that you know that it's hopeless to go away. Yeah. We're getting to know each other a little too well. We're starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I light up like a neon sign. Yes, we're getting to know each other. Getting to know each other a little too well. A little too well. Thank you. Kamusta na po kayong lahat? I'm so honored to be here in this special Grand Ball and Balikbayan event. I really am grateful that I was invited here. I just want to know, no, by raise of hand or saying yes, karamihan ba sa inyo balikbayan talaga? So marami. US, Canada, Europe. So kalat-kalat. And you guys all grew up here? Yeah? Well, I feel like we share a kindred spirit kasi ako rin po. I know a lot of you guys don't know that I grew up in Toronto, Canada. I left the Philippines when I was 5 years old. Kaya doon na po ako nag-aral, doon ako lumaki hanggang makatapos po ng college. So I can understand you being here and celebrating with your kababayan and where you're from. So thank you for having me here. I don't know if that was intentional that I was invited. Hello? Yeah. I don't know if that was intentional that I was invited because dati akong balikbayan or I grew up here. But anyway, I want to share songs with you. And some of them are English. Kahit naman po English siya, they are original Filipino music. Hello. Hello. I heard you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time you feel this feeling I have inside. memorizing each line, still don't know what to say, what to say. Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say, more floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Someday I'll fly away. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You beside me all the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorized all the lines, but here I am. Struggling for words, I still don't know what to say, what to say. I don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. I was floating in tears when you passed by. I could fly. Thank you. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. I love you too. Thank you. All the time, all the time. Thank you, thank you. I'm hello. One of the things I worry about is when I hello. When I sing songs, baka mamaya hindi nyo alam yung mga kanta kasi some of my songs are really very old, just like the artist himself, very old. So tapos lalo na mga balikbayan po kayo, baka hindi nyo alam yung mga music. But if you do, alam ko mahihain kayo, mga probinsyana. But if you guys know the song, it would be great if you can sing along with me. That's always a special treat for me when people sing along to my songs. Yeah? Game? Okay. Thank you for this gift. I had a feeling that you hold in my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever no one can break us apart, for our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes and deep in your arms, how I feel so much more secure. You let me close my eyes so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile and your home. You sing along with me. You brought my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my king? Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that it is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I Just give me a smile and your hope. Sing along with me. You showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your eyes. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your eyes. Oh, give me your smile in your. Thank you. I heard you singing. Thank you. That means a lot to me. You know, I started here when I came back to the Philippines from Toronto, Canada. That was 1990. Immediately after, mga 1991, I recorded this song, and it was a song that introduced me to a lot of you. I don't know who was here during that time. Baka lumipad na kayo to go to greener pastures. But if you guys know it, I hope you remember it. Bakit ikaw ang nais na matanaw nitong mga mata? Tunay kayang nabigani ako sa taglay mong ganda. Nais kong marinig malamyos mong tinig. Nasa aking aliw at tila ba itulog pa na langit. Pag nakita ka na'y ayaw nang kumurap o pumikit man lang. Dahil baka mawala kang bigla nang hindi ko alam. Minsa'y hinahagan, yakap-yakap kita. Ngunit sa pagising ko ay di pala tunay at nanginayang na. Sana kahit alam niyo, ay mapansin ako. Malaman mong kita'y mahal at yan ay totoo. Huwag iisipin na bibiro ako. Tunay ang pag-ibig na alay sa inyo. Pag nakita ka na'y ayaw nang kumura o pumikit man lang. Dahil baka mawala kang bigla nang hindi ko alam. Minsa'y hinahagan, yakap-yakap kita. Ngunit sa pag-isip ko ay di pala tunay na nanginayang na. Sana ka, thank you. Minsan ang mapansin ako, malaman mong kita'y mahal at yan ay totoo. Huwag iisipin na bibiro ako. Tunay ang pag-ibig na alay sa'yo. Hanap ng puso ay laging ikaw. Tanging nais ko ang iyong pagmamahal. Sana'y sabihin mahalin ako. Ikaw ang tawag ng damdamin ko. Sana ang mapansin ako. Malaman mong kita'y mahal at yan ay totoo. Iisipin na bibiro ako. Tunay ang pag-ibig na alay. Ikaw walang sabang buhay ang pag-ibig na alay ko sa inyo'y thank you tonight thank you sa iyo'y tunay sana kahit minsan sana kahit minsan sana kahit minsan thank you. Oh, sure. Sige po. Darating po ako dyan. Another song. Okay. Wow. I don't want to insult you, but you guys know the song, so medyo alam ko na yung mga age group natin. No? Nahalata. Yes. Because that song was recorded 1990. But, you know, that's the great thing about life. We all age. You know, ako, I'm very proud of my age. I've been here. It's hard to hide your age kasi pag nasa industriya ka, lalo na with the internet, you know. And I look forward for next year kasi next year po senior na po ako. Senior citizen na po ako so next year. Yes. So we should be proud of our age, you know. So anyway, I want to share this song with you that I sang for my wife, my beautiful wife, on our wedding day. So if you guys know it, you'd be grateful. I love you too. To all our distinguished guests, thank you for having me. Mahal, pangako sa iyo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw lang ang ibigin ko, kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako. Asahan na di maglalaho ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Sing along with me. Minsan kitang ibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Thank you. Minsan lamang sa buhay ko ang sangkatulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig mo? Puso'y sumasama mo, sinusumpa sa iyo. Ikaw ang tanging dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody now. Minsan lang kita iibigin, minsan lang kita mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan. Walang hangganan. Dahil ang minsan ay magpakailan Thank you. Thank you. I'm so touched you guys know my song. You know, one of the things I always tell people, and I know you guys can, most of you guys can relate. I love being here, in your very quaint province, this city, this bayan, because you know, kayo or ako, lumaki po tayo, tagal po natin tumagal sa States, sa Canada, Europe, wherever it may be. But one of the common denominators for us is that we love where we come from. At hindi nyo po nakakalimutan yun. Kasi with all the things we have abroad, sometimes it complicates our lives. No? Mas naging komplikado yung buhay natin because of the things we have, we take for granted. But here in the Philippines, you see how life can be so simple and yet so fruitful and so beautiful. So thank you for having me here. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Maraming salamat po. To a simple life worth living. Thank you. Simple lang naman ang nais sa damdamin at sa isip. Hindi ba't kay sarap ng buhay kung simple ang dating. Simple lamang sa pag-ibig ng di laging ulo sa isip. Kailangan mong maging tapat, ganyang umiibig. Simpleng buhay ay kay ganda, mayroong ngiti, mayroong saya. Walang hindi magano, lalo na simple ka. Sama-sama magkaisa, kahit maging sino ka pa. Lahat ay di ba't kay dali, ganyan ka lang sana. Thank you. Thank you. Simple lang naman ang nais sa damdamin at sa isip. Hindi ba't kay sarap ng buhay kung simple ang dating. Simple lamang sa pag-ibig ng di laking gulo sa isip. Kailangan mo maging tapat, ganyang umiibig. Simpleng buhay ay kay ganda, mayroong ngiti, mayroong saya. Walang hindi magagawa, lalo na't simple ka. Sama-sama magkaisa, kahit maging sino ka pa. Lahat ay di ba't kay dali, ganyan ka lang sana. Thank you. Simpleng buhay ay kay ganda, mayroong ngiti, mayroong saya. Walang hindi lahat ay di ba't kay dali, ganyan ka lang sana. Simpleng buhay ay kay ganda, mayroong ngiti, mayroong saya. Walang hindi magagawa, lalo na't simple ka. Sama-sama magkaisa, kahit maging sino ka pa. Lahat ay di ba't kay dali, ganyan ka lang sana. Hello. Thank you, everybody. Good night. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him resounding applause. Our guest performer tonight, Mr. Ariel Rivera. Palakpakan naman ho natin.
Wow! Kitang-kita ko ang saya at enjoyment ng ating mga kabalayans, partner.
Tama ka dyan, binibining Danny. At syempre, hindi lang yan. Sabi ko nga kasama natin ang pinakamagaling at pinakasikat na orkestra dito sa Pangasinan. Yan ang the original Don Podring Orchestra partner.
That's right. At this point,
At syempre, dito sa ating bayan, sa Bayan ng Bayambang, pinahalagaan natin ang bawat miyembro ng pamilya, ang pamilyang Bayambanggenyo. Your sacrifice of living our country and your family must be recognized. Kaya ngayong gabi, ngayon, kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong kabayanihan. Kaya palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. And at this point, ladies and gents, atin pong formal na ipakilala ang ating mga bayaning manggagawa, our Bayambang Balikbayans, and of course, starting with
Menchu Mendoza from Israel, Teresita Aguilar from Israel, Alicia Salinas from Canada, Marites Del Rosario from Kuwait, Cecilia Reyes from California, Christina Duyag from Canada, Marcelina Elegante from USA, Corazon Malikam from Dubai, Josephine De La Cruz from Taiwan, Sharon Miguel from Taiwan, Lita Soriano from USA, Nana and Valdez from Taiwan.
Okay, at this point, we would like to request our municipal officials, together, of course, our special assistant to the office of Mayor, Dr. Zester, together, of course, with our municipal administrators. So may we invite our municipal officials, starting, of course, with our SATOM Vice Mayor, and of course, our municipal councilor, and of course, the new faces of Team Kiambao Sabang, and also our municipal administrator to award, of course, the simple tokens.
Of appreciation, of course.
That's right, binibining Danny.
So once again, as we call your name, please lapit po kayo dito sa harapan. Okay, I think we're ready.
And of course, siguro, partner, pag tinawag natin yung name, and of course, kung saang bansa, lalapit sila sa atin. Tama ba yun?
That's right, partner. So once again, as we call your name, please approach us here in front.
Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gents, our municipal officials of Municipality of Bayambang. Let's give them resounding applause, please. Palakpakan naman ho natin sila. Di ba, binibining Danny, nakikita mo naman kung gaano kagwapo at kaganda ang ating municipal officials dito sa ating Pinablin Valley na Bayambang.
Right, kasing ganda at kasing gwapo ng kanilang serbisyo dito sa bayan ng Bayambang. Umpisahan na natin. Let's have Menchu Mendoza from Israel, Teresita Aguilar from Israel, Alicia Salinas from Canada, Marites Del Rosario from Kuwait, Cecilia Reyes from California, Christina Duyag from Canada, Marcelina Elegante from USA, Corazon Malikam from Dubai, Josephine De La Cruz from Taiwan, Sharon Miguel from Taiwan, Lita Soriano from USA, Nena U. Valdez from Taiwan, Rose Fernandez from Europe, Solly Almonte from Israel.
And of course, we have here Ma'am Flor de Lisa Lanza from Hong Kong. Nakakagulat naman. Binibili ani. Hermihilda Castro from Malaysia. Jemima Gonzalez from USA. Epifanio Pera from Israel. Endra Kabugao from Buena Park, California. Nieves Mundares from Maryland, USA. Carmencita Veluan from LA. Yerapsini Mariano from Italy. Remedios Papa from Hong Kong. Vilma Valdosa from Saudi. Mirna Mariano from Taiwan. Rodrigo Mariano from Taiwan. Sheila May Bato, Saudi. Remedios Pangilinan, California. Jenny Alcala, Taiwan. Albert A. Alcala, Taiwan. Ana Bato, Canada. Lloyd V. Asuncion, Taiwan.
Elena Versosa from Dubai, A. Grace Versosa from USA, Esmael Versosa from USA, Janicio Lopez from USA, Felicidad Sebastian from Brunei, Helen Solis from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Conalyn Medrano from Hong Kong, Conchita Haria from Chicago, Edita Veloria from London, Rafael Garutos from California, Lita Wilson from Canada, Joyce Salinas from KSA, Joyce Macam from Oman, Luisa Paa from Taiwan, Marita Veloria from Taiwan, Delma Corpus from Singapore, Julieta Felix from Canada, Emily Felix from Australia.
And of course, we have Jorab Torres from Hong Kong, Vanessa Ramos, USA, Nora Gabriel, Israel, Nelda Pagio, USA, Juanita Hawk, Florida, USA, Maroja Mendez, Virginia Beach, Soporonia Funio, US, Aimee Macaranas, Dubai, Emmanuel Arcinas, California, Israel Julbe, USA, Josefina Junio, Israel, Virginia Valdez, Singapore, Josefina Piles Piles, Canada, Mercedes Pano, Dubai, Los Agustin, Israel, Shirley Milido, Israel, Jose de la Cruz, Canada, and Belinda Dakalanine from Hong Kong.
We also have Jeanette Felix from Canada, Corazon Diahaso from Canada, Mercy Stabilio from Qatar, Rosita Libores from Saudi, Corazon Pagas from Germany, Roberto Morales from KSA, Cora de Vergara from China, Jeanette Buisek from Europe, Imelda Agustin from Israel, Karen Chen Abelyar, Singapore, Patricia Flores, Taiwan, Virgin Aquino, Singapore, Illuminada Alcala, Saudi, Erlinda Vitala, Singapore, Marlene Asuncion, Singapore, Jennifer Villanola, Jeddah, Rochelle M. Eugenio, Jeddah, and of course Miguel Espagaran from Saudi Arabia.
Okay, thank you so much for being Danny. And of course, we have here Luz Biminda Placido from Hong Kong, Jocelyn Galasi from Saudi, Luz Dumondon from California, Shirley Dovalos, Hong Kong, Rosalie Flores, Hong Kong, Vilma de Guzman, Orlando, Florida, Jemeve de Guzman, Florida, Ermelinda Makadangdang, Israel, Helen Laza, Singapore, Bonifacio Laza, Saudi, Marietta Hiramis, Hong Kong, Ligaya Centino, Israel, Leo Arenas, Taiwan, Josephine Garcia, Abu Dhabi, Stephanie Serravilla, UAE, Sixto Tamayo, California, Abner Quintana, KSA, USA, Luis Valencia, USA.
And of course, we have Franco Junio from San Francisco, Aida Junio from San Francisco, Clarita Tagab from San Francisco, Carmen Cardinosa from Canada, Jamie Cardinosa from Canada, Zani Cardinosa from Canada, Dalife Padua from UAE, Jane Marino from Taiwan, Gian James from Taiwan, Maurice Asuncion from Dubai, Susan Plaganas from Singapore, Carolina Panas UAE, Juliet Shi from China, Michelle Andalet from Taiwan, Aurea De Leon from Dubai, Nanette Alonso from Singapore, Anne Delavine London, and Maria Shana Cortez Washington. Partner, we apologize for any mispronunciations of your names. We are pronouncing based on what we are reading.
Okay, and of course, we have here partner, Mr. Orlando Ferrer from Australia, Telma Jimmy Junio from San Francisco, Virgie Sibayan Abu Dhabi, Marian Enriquez Saudi, Mario Salinas Saudi, Gloria Lumibal, California, USA, Edwin Dizon, Japan, Julian Dizon, Japan, Nora Ventura, Bahrain, Emilio Venrida, Taiwan, Lani T. Sarmiento, Kuwait, Aida Medrano, California, Merlinda Rama, Qatar, Frelina Baloza, Singapore, Dennis Sayor, Doha, Ferjusto, California, USA, Virgilio Roldine, Guzon, Hawaii, California, and Erlinda Paglingayan, Israel.
Jocelyn Napoli, Hong Kong, Donnie Agulan from USA, Rosemary Bato from Japan, Yolanda Amsoriano from UAE, Mary Joy Junio from Saudi, Susan Hermona from Oman, Gerardo Fidel Casingal from NJ USA, Dominador Benitez from Canada, Corazon Benitez from Canada, Helen Perez from Israel, Alma Laipuro from Russia, Elisa P. Galsim from Dubai, Jennifer D. Monte from South Korea, Orodas Akisim from Dubai, Buena Ferrile from London, Imelda E. Bautista from Israel, Margie E. Bautista from Israel, and of course, Brando Bautista from California.
And of course, we have Giselle Kessler from South Korea, Roberto Perez from Israel, Judith Perez, Israel, June Kayabyab, California, Flor Kayabyab, California, Remy Jimenez, California, Tony Jimenez, California, Mildred from California, Federico Apostol, California, Jaime Raleigh from London, Cueca Brave from London, Nancy Del Rosario, Canada, Cecilia Fernandez from Canada, Rachel Abuag, Dubai, Aaron Fernandez from Canada, Lumen Celestino from Singapore, Laarni Sango de Leon from Guam, Jeffrey De Leon from USA.
And for our last set, we have Joy Reyna from Riyadh, Saudi, Anna Sagon from USA, Jesse Junio from Riyadh, Helen Nawa from Japan, Masandri Nawa from Japan, Karen Joyce Pequino from UAE, Jovita Olalia from Canada, Mary Joyce Junio from USA, and of course, Christine O. Junio from Singapore.
And of course, sa lahat po ng ating mga kabalayans na hindi po hindi po namin nabanggit. Ayan, pwede na po tayong pumila para po makuha po ninyo the simple tokens coming from the local government unit of Bayambang. Yan mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman ho natin ang ating mga kabaluyans, balikbayan all over the world. Palakpakan naman ho natin sila! At syempre partner, Binibining Danny, excited ka na bang sumayaw ngayong gabi?
Hindi ako sumasayaw, pero go! Right, alam mo partner, talagang nakakamangha ang ating mga balikbayans dahil napakagaling talaga ng mga bayambanggenyos. Kahit saang parte pa yan ng mundo, talaga namang nagpapakitang gilas at nagpapakita ng kasipagan para sa kanilang pamilya at para sa kanilang bayan. Once again, we appreciate you so much, our kabaluyans, our dear balikbayans.
Yan, that's right. Binibining Danny, of course, sabi ko nga, gustong-gusto ko din pumunta ng ibang bansa. Sana ulit yung bansa na gusto mong puntahan?
Well, what I said a while back was actually Japan. And if I heard it correctly, gusto mong pumunta ng Thailand.
Thailand,
Tama ba?
oo. So,
Right.
pagdating ko dito, hindi mo na ako makikilala. At saka, hindi na kita papansinin.
Ay, masyado ka.
Joke lang. Joke lang.
Siyempre, joke lang. Of course, once again, no, talaga namang nakakataba ng puso makita ang ating mga balikbayans. Kaya naman, kudos to our LGU Bayambang for actually giving a time and space for our balikbayans para mag-enjoy. Tonight, sila naman ang bida. Kaya naman, alam ko sigurado, ready na ang mga ating balikbayans na magsayawan.
Yan, tama ka dyan, partner. And of course, maraming salamat, of course, to our municipal officials, our special assistant to the Office of the Mayor, Dr. Cesar, our municipal administrator also. Palakpakan naman ho natin sila. And partner, since excited na rin po akong magsayaw tonight, and this time, wag na rin natin patagalin pa, partner, this time to give us words of gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorary Chairman of People's Round Ball and Balikbayan Night 2025. Ladies and gents, let's give him resounding applause, Municipal Councilor, the Honorable Jose Boy Ramos.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga MC. Bago ang lahat, nakipag-shake hands tayo, ni-welcome natin yung mga balikbayans. Napagod tayo, pero nawawala yung pagod natin dahil amoy dollars sila. Siyempre, bago ang lahat, unahin ko na bigyan ng galang ang super ganda, super bait, super matalino at matulungin. Walang iba ang ating pinagmamalaking Mayor, Honorable Mayor Niña Jose Quiambao. Palakpakan po natin. Siyempre, yung matagal nang sumusuporta, tumutulong, nagsasakripisyo sa ating bayang na Bayambang, kaya naging progreso ang ating former Mayor Dr. Cesar Tirado Quiambao. Palakpakan po natin. Ganon din po ang Vice Mayor natin, ang presiding officer natin, Vice Mayor IC Sabangan. Ganon din po ang aking mga kasamahan sa konsiho, Councilor Milvin Honyo, Councilor Philip Dumalanta, Councilor Benji De Vera, Councilor Amory Honyo, Councilor Jerry Flores, Councilor Martin Tirado, Councilor Libinson Uy, OIC-ABC President Rodilito Bautista, ISKI President Chis Kadulay, Dr. Rafael Saigo, Municipal Administrator Attorney Raj Sagarino Bidad, mga department heads, LGU employees, Secretary Joel Camacho, Kiambao, Jose family na hindi ko na sila isa-isahin, our balikbayans, our barangay officials, our guests, friends, ladies, and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. Tonight is a special night for all of us Bayang-Banggenyos. We are here celebrating our fiesta in honor of our patron, Saint Vincent Ferrer. We are also here to honor our balikbayans, the kabaluyans, the balikbayans in gratitude to their continuing support and giving back to their land of birth and heart. We noticed that every town fiesta has a balikbayan night because we know that Filipinos will never forget their roots. So therefore, salamat at si kayon kabaluyan, ya balikbayan, na kaiba kayo, ya sakay, ya instrumento at progreso na bali tayon bayangbang. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Ta sakiyak met, ya wala, ya pamilya. Dita na biyak tao, ya aga makakalingon, ya pawil-pawil at bali tayong bayangbang. Let us continue to be proud of our town, Bayangbang. You are always part of us, and we are grateful for all your help. Let us enjoy the night. Mabuhay kayo. God bless us all. Happy Fiesta to everybody. Thank you and God bless. Tanlaan ko pamitlayan pangkanaunawa. Yaiter so lang ko pamitlayan pangkanaunawa. Yakablitan suliknaan nyo na kung pwede lang ho sana, suportahan natin ang Team Kiambao Sabangan. Mayor Ninya Jose Kiambao, palakpakan po natin. Vice Mayor IC Sabangan. OIC-ABC President Rodel Bautista. For Councilor Jocelyn Espijo, Councilor Jerry Flores, Kulas Buing Honyo, Banday Paragas, Engineer Sirix Tirado, and Councilor Levinson Uy. Sana suportahan nyo at nunayari kumon itandoryo so Team Kiambao Sabangan tapian untan mangkakasagay tayo at progreso na bali tayong bayangbang. Siya si Councilor Josiboy Ramos, number 18 at Balota, Mr. Paru-Paro J. Again, happy fiesta. God bless to everybody. Thank you.
Yan ang balibalik na salamat at sa may masamsamit tan balibali yung pananalita na labulawas at sa may mararo na konsihal at balay tayon bayambang. Donor Chairman, of course, of Balikbayan Night. Once again, minsan pa, palakpakan naman ako natin, Councilor Jose Boy Ramos.
Ayan, thank you so much. With that, alam mo, feeling ko yung tingin sa atin ng mga audiences parang, dali na, gusto na naming sumayaw. Yun yung
Apurailantan, paskila, kwanda.
manahimik na kayo at magsayawan na. But before we go to that part, alam mo partner, sabi nga natin kanina, paulit-ulit na nating sinasabi, napaka-talented talaga ng mga Bayambanggenyos kahit saang parte pa ng mundo. At balita ko, merong isang magpapatunay niyan ngayong gabi. Tama ba?
Tama ka dyan, partner. Alam mo ba, nakalipas, nung nakaraang araw lang, the opening, binibining Danny, ng Pistay Balay, yan na ang ating Farmers Day celebrations or mas kilala natin Agaw na Dumaralos. Nagkaroon doon ng Farmers Got Talent.
Ooh, okay.
Alam mo partner, bibigyan tayo ng napakagandang performance. Siyempre, mga kaibigan, atin pong palakpakan the champion of Farmers Got Talent. Ladies and gents, let us give her resounding applause to Jonalyn Bugarin.
Bamboo structure, really majestic, it's her main attraction. Jadali ni masamit suburo.
Hanggang ngayon ay alaala sa tuwi na araw nating nagdaan. Ngayon'y muli tayong nakita, puso ko'y anong sigla at saya. Ngunit bakit ngayon lang nagkita, kung kailan tayong dalawa'y kapwa di na pwede pang magsama. Sayang na sayang talaga dating pag-ibig na alay sa'yo. Sayang na sayang talaga pagmamahal na di ko makakamtan sa'yo. Damdamin ay di maintindihan puso ko. Ikaw ang siyang sinisigaw, ngunit sadyang di sa isa't isa. Bakit ba huli na nang tayong muling nagkita? Kung may babalik ang kahapon, sana'y di nagkawalay. Alaalang nagdaang di malimutan.
sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas, ang aking pag-ibig, ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama, kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit, nilalaro mo lamang ang pusong naiidlip, sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya, hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap, hanap pa rin ang lasong mong halik. Apoy na dati-dati, kay init ng liyab, agad akong nadadala kapag ikaw ay umakyat. Ngayon'y nag-iisa, laging nilalamig, nawala na ang lahat-lahat, ito'y naging panaginip, ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama, kapag kapiling na kita, nalalapit ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit, nilalaro mo lamang ang pusong naiidlip, sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya, hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap, hanap pa rin ang lasong mong halik. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit, nilalaro mo lamang ang pusong naiidlip, sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya, hanggang ngayon'y hinahanap, hanap pa rin ang lasong mong halik. Lasong mong halik.
Here you have it, ladies and gents. Palakpakan naman ho natin the grand champion and celebration of Farmers Day, Miss Jonalyn Bugarin from Ambayat First.
Napakagaling, and what a way to end our program, because this is the end of our program. So let me introduce myself once again. I am Miss Daniela Daria.
And I am Serge De Los Santos. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back once again the original Dun Pudring Orchestra.
Kabaluyans, sayawan na!
Come on!
Swing time, come on!
Minimiti ng bawat bayang banggenyo, kaunlaran at tunay na senso, serbisyong tapat, tanging alay ng puso, ika'y ramdam ko at ng bawat isa sa inyo. Kabataan at kababaihan,
pushing the shade. Ooh la la. Pushing the shade. Hey. Hey. Sugar pie, honey bun, sugar pie. You know that I love you. Love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. In and out my life, you come and you go. The big grand picture behind, and I kiss it at 1,000 times. When you snap your finger or wink your eye, I come running to you. I'm tied up to you, baby, and there's nothing that I can do. Sugar pie, honey bun, sugar pie. You know that I love you. Love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. When you snap your finger or wink your eye, I come running to you. I'm tied up to you, baby, and there's nothing that I can do. Sugar pie, honey bun, sugar pie. You know that I love you. Love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. Hey! Shout out ang Kuya family! Hey! Especially to Mari Arman and Kumari Geraldine. Hello! Please don't talk about love tonight. Please don't talk about us breaking up. Please don't talk about being true. And all the trouble of living into. Oh, please don't talk about all we play as we are. Of fixing these broken romance. I want you all to be called as I want to action. Action. I have so much to give. I want to give it. I want to get some to I love you, my life. I got to boogie. All of this going on. I love you, my life. I got to boogie. All of this going on. Someone call me Argentina. The truth is, I've never left you. All through my ways, my mad existence. I get no promise to keep your distance. It won't be easy. You think it's strange when I try to explain how I feel. That I still need your love after all that I've done. You won't believe you me. All you will see is the boy you once knew. Although she dressed up through the nights and sees his happens with you. I had to let it happen. I had to change. Couldn't stay all my life out of tears. Looking out of the window, straight out of the sun. So I just breathe up, running around, trying everything new, but nothing impressed me at all. I never expected it to. Someone call me Argentina. The truth is, I've never left you. All through my one days, I sisters, I make a promise to keep you listening.